Hi everybody, Polly and Nina here. Today we're really excited to bring 7 College Street to the market. This is a really good solid 3-bedroom home, isn't it?
Yeah, it's one of those real old-timer family homes, just built when things were built properly.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Really good size section, fab location, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But you know, you stand out here and the sun's just beaming in, smells pretty.
Great fences,
Yeah.
full section, great year of birth actually.
Absolutely. Same as you, is it?
Decent sized bedrooms. It's
Yeah.
just a good house.
Fresh paint.
Yep.
Inside, outside. Look, come on through and take a look, and it will be our pleasure to show you around.
So I think I said before, not that I repeat things often, anyhow, it's a great home. It's solid as, and it's the sort of house that you'd want your kids to buy. You just go, it's still got great space, it's original but modernised. So I like it.
I like it too, because you move on in and then you tinker away. I think, you know, as we were talking before, if my children are ready to buy a home, this is absolutely one I'd want them to see, without a doubt. And location's fabulous. You've got good schools, you've got Riverdale shops, so you've got the cafe, the chemist, there's all sorts happening for you. Race course down the road, close to the beach. It's just, you know, lots going on, lots of little ticks. So look, come on down to the open home, or give us a call if you'd like a private viewing. We're Polly and Nina, and we're the PNN and Palmy North Real Estate.